Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Chintamani Chitale from Mankind Pharma, and I welcome you all to this red-letter day in the history of pharma industry, where a real-life hero meets real.
With the help of this film, you're trying to create some kind of a memory in which you could really showcase you as a hero, which you actually are.
Malhotra. I am the mother of Dr. Rajesh Malhotra. I am a strict mother, पर मैं पढ़ाई के लिए strict बहुत ज़्यादा थी.
There's one thing you have to know about Professor Malhotra, that he has a command over orthopedics. He has a command like no one else I've seen. He's such an approachable person that you meet him, you can sense the aura of that command that he has over this subject.
There is a Vivekananda in everyone. So if I have to find my Vivekananda, then he is my Ramakrishna.
एक ऐसा डॉक्टर जो अपनी बात से आपका आधा दर्द दूर कर दे और अपने इलाज से आपका बाकी
I've never seen a better clinician more than him. One of the finest surgeons that I have come across in my life.
I think I served lifelong as honorary gynecologist to Rajesh's family. So I've been knowing all of them.
And I'm really lucky, thankful that I have had the privilege to be with this man.
He is that Rahul Dravid of my family who secured one end so that I could achieve that I could. And I think the credit for that goes more to her than to me.
Your journey has been truly inspiring, full of warmth, dedication, touching billions of lives and spreading happiness. Thank you from the core for giving us a moment to make you feel happy today.